up, guys? This is your boy Brayden, and I'm sorry about the last video because I accidentally logged out of
Let me
YouTube.
talk.
So get that gun away from my head. So this is what I was gonna do. Hang on. So remember the optical illusion?
Yeah, it's like so cool, bro.
Okay. So
Today we need 80 likes for this video.
see? Okay, let's go down here. Let's go under the porch. We can't go under the porch.
Wow.
There's bikes.
All the bikes are down there?
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna take you out the front door. Come on. Grab the gun. Go that way. So, Kaylee, what are you cooking? Egg and cheese sandwiches?
Put me on YouTube.
Egg and cheese sandwiches? Huh? And fried bologna? Puppy! Hey, Papa! Him eating some fried bologna and eggs and drinking some water. It's Pete! No, wait, that's not Pete. That's Pete right there. Okay, let's go. That's Willie. The big Willie. He's a weenie. Willie the weenie.
I was gonna tell you.
Okay, guys, this is my front yard. I'm free.
They really ain't that big, but
Oh, look at those crow. Look at that crow and those birds. They're fighting. They were just fighting. Okay, now they left. Where's the red one?
what's up, guys? We're in YouTube video.
Okay. So what I was... Oh, dang it. Y'all can't even see. I'm going to have to face this way. Okay, guys. So what I was going to do is I was going to put my finger in it. But... Dang it. Never mind. My bad. Now the next thing we were gonna do is we were gonna play Call of Duty, but we're gonna do that in another video, which is gonna come up in a few hours. So, bye!